Shanika, your host for our exciting new series,
Jamaica Virtual Vibes.
Our purpose is to engage, educate, and of course, entertain. We have many segments hosted by your favorite JTB reps. Check out AFIA's one-stop, thrill-seeking adventure, Yolette's Culture Club, Paula's Spirited Report, Torrance the Oracle's Mystery, and of course, updates from Jamaica with Liz. So, turn on those cameras, pop your favorite drink, and let's have some fun. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Paula. I invite you to join me for a drink when I bring you the Spirit Report from a bar someplace in Jamaica.
Hi, I'm Liz, and I'll be bringing you the latest news and updates from Jamaica.
Hi, I'm Yolette, and welcome to the Culture Club, where we bring to you a short, sweet snippet of the vibrant, colorful Jamaican culture. So who's ready? We have timeless traditions, we have big up sessions. You also get to learn our native tongue. Yeah man, everything crisp, everything airy. So let's go.
Hi, I'm Torrance Lewis, and I'll be bringing you the Oracle's Report. A little bit of information for those of you who are planning incentive travel, group travel, sports travel, or business travel.
Hey, I'm Afia. So excited to be taking you all across Jamaica during our one-stop sessions. Where does the name One Stop come from? As a Jamaican, if you're in public transportation and you get to your destination, what you would say is one-stop driver. So join me on our one-stop sessions as I take you all across Jamaica.